Alright, so I got a little bit different of a video today. I'm actually going to be going to the AACA Nationals meet today, and my dad's car is going to be showing there to go for its national award. It started at the bottom, goes to the top. If you know how the AACA judging works, you start out with your first junior is what you would win, senior, and then preservations up until you can get your national award. So that's what he's going for today. It was one of the cars that I fully restored maybe 4 years ago, 3 or 4 years ago. I'll actually show you a picture. I have it hanging on the wall. It's a 66 Fastback. So we're just going to set up there of it driving it in, seeing it get judged, and it's kind of cool. Well, not cool because the coronavirus has made this all a little bit different for today. But they're actually going to hand out the award at the show if you do receive it. So hopefully everything goes right. It does get the award. It's based on correctness of the car and how it was done. So it's kind of a cool thing for the car to get that just because it was done to the T of being correct. So that's what's going to be in the video today. And I'll walk around the show to show some of the other cars, see if there's any other Mustangs there or anything that's pretty cool. So it's a national meet, so it'll be some cars that are real high-end, done nicely. So we'll check those out. Just to show you a glimpse of what's in the shop here. I'm not usually in the big garage too often, but we got the 65 Fastback shell. The pink 67 just sitting there. No, I haven't worked on it lately. Just too many other projects going on. But front end's off. It's ready to scuff and paint the engine bay. And I need to paint the underside. One car, if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen it. Picture of it. I haven't done any videos on it or anything like that, but a 79 pace car. It's a 4-cylinder turbo one. And then we have a customer's car. That's what I'm doing next. It is a 69 428 Cobra Jet car. So, and one of the upcoming ones, I just got my Dynacorn shipment, 67 Fastback. It's going to get all new metal. But that's what's going on in the big garage. So I'm going to start heading to the meet. It's in PA close to me, so that's nice. So I'm going to hop in the white car and we'll see you at the show.
the 66 Mustang of Dale Peterson, New Buffalo, Pennsylvania, and the 66 Mustang of Craig Gocknauer, Elkton, Maryland.